Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Oculus gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Oculus gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in secure.oculus.com and make a search. Log into your account and the home page of Oculus account will appear on the screen. Click on Profile and from the drop-down, tap on Redeem Code option. Enter your redemption code and click on an arrow icon to redeem your Oculus gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.